Thank you.
You got really quiet now.
It's wicked good.
Whoa.
Alright, for my presentation, I think I'll share my thoughts through expressive movement. How I feel about my soup. I don't really want to tell you that much about it.
Just dance. Just
I'd
dance it
like
out.
you to decide for yourself. Hold on.
Oh yeah. Black beans in there.
Okay.
It's smoky.
Where's Eva? She's gonna be interpreting.
She's got
An interpretation of the air.
You're supposed to be interpreting interpretive dance.
I'm gonna interpret her dance afterwards.
Clearly making love at the soup table. Carolyn, twerk it. Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
It's a nice soup. Black beans. Smoky.
Twerk the soup. Where did she go?
She did a sneak around.